By the end of this module, you should be able to define mini-split air conditioners, identify the different types of mini-split air conditioners, and elaborate on how a mini-split air conditioner works.
A mini-split system consists of an outdoor unit and indoor units connected by refrigerant lines that regulate heating and cooling. The outdoor unit houses the compressor and condenser while the indoor units contain evaporators and blowers to distribute conditioned air. The refrigerant circulates in a closed loop, absorbing or releasing heat to provide temperature control. Mini-split air conditioning systems offer flexible heating and cooling. Unlike traditional central HVAC systems which require ductwork, mini-splits utilize an outdoor compressor that connects to slim, wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted indoor units allowing zone temperature control. The compressor and indoor units are linked via refrigerant lines and drainage tubing that run through small holes in walls. The mini-split air conditioning system provides localized heating and cooling through the strategic placement of an outdoor unit and indoor unit connected by refrigerant lines. This allows each room to be temperature controlled independently without ductwork. The main components of a mini-split system are the outdoor condenser, indoor evaporator, and the refrigerant lines that allow heat transfer between the interior and exterior environments. A mini-split air conditioner cools indoor spaces by extracting heat from the air and releasing it outdoors. This refrigeration cycle involves 4 key steps. The indoor unit's evaporator coil absorbs heat from the indoor air. The refrigerant lines transport the heat to the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit's compressor pressurizes the refrigerant and dissipates the heat outdoors via the condenser. The cooled refrigerant returns indoors to repeat the cycle. A mini-split heat pump absorbs heat from outdoor air into refrigerant using an outdoor unit. The refrigerant lines carry the heat to an indoor unit where an evaporator coil releases the heat into indoor air. The cooled refrigerant returns to the outdoor unit to repeat the cycle and continue heating the indoor space. Mini-split systems are available in various configurations to meet different heating and cooling requirements. The major types include single-zone, multi-zone, cassette, and ducted systems. A single-zone mini-split system has one outdoor condenser unit connected to one indoor air handling unit. It provides heating or cooling for a single room or specific area in a home or building. The concentrated airflow allows for zoning and individualized climate control. A multi-zone mini-split system has one outdoor unit connected to multiple indoor units, typically up to 4 or more. It provides individual temperature control for different zones or rooms in a building. The outdoor unit houses the compressor and condenser. It is connected via refrigerant lines to indoor evaporator units in each zone. The indoor units have individual thermostats to set desired temperatures. The multi-zone system allows cooling or heating different zones to preferred temperatures. A cassette mini-split system, a cutting-edge variant of ductless HVAC, stands out as an efficient and versatile climate control solution for spaces of various sizes and purposes. Comprising an indoor unit, strategically ceiling mounted for optimal airflow, an outdoor unit, refrigerant tubing facilitating heat exchange, and a power cable ensuring seamless operation. Ducted mini-splits have a concealed indoor unit connected to ductwork, distributing air centrally throughout a home. The ducts are hidden in walls, ceilings, or closets. Ducted systems provide whole home heating and cooling from a single concealed unit. Imagine walking through your home feeling an even flow of conditioned air, without seeing any indoor units. Mini-split systems come in 2 main configurations, wall-mounted units, and ducted units. Wall-mounted mini-splits are cost-effective, adaptable, and easy to install, making them popular in homes. Ducted mini-splits distribute air seamlessly throughout a building and are ideal for whole home heating and cooling. Mini-split systems are available in various types, each designed for specific applications and environments. Comparing their features and applications facilitates an effective understanding. A single-zone mini-split system has one indoor head unit connected to one outdoor compressor unit. It is an efficient and cost-effective way to control the temperature of one room or area. Multi-zone mini-splits allow for customized climate control in different areas of a home. Think of having an indoor unit in the living room providing heating in the winter, while another cools the upstairs bedrooms in the summer. The flexibility of multi-zone systems comes from connecting several indoor units to a single outdoor unit, creating tailored comfort zones. Cassette mini-split system is designed to operate without the need for extensive ductwork, making it an ideal choice for spaces where traditional HVAC systems may be impractical or aesthetically challenging. Ducted mini-splits utilize concealed indoor units connected through ductwork to distribute conditioned air throughout a home. This provides centralized and unobtrusive climate control ideal for whole home heating and cooling. Ductwork allows flexible and customized delivery of conditioned air to different zones. Mini-split systems come in wall-mounted and ducted types. Wall-mounted units involve simpler installation as they directly mount onto interior or exterior walls. Ducted systems require additional installation work to connect ductwork from the outdoor unit to vents distributing conditioned air indoors. Wall-mounted mini-split units are installed on interior or exterior walls, making them visibly noticeable. Their designs can match interior decor. Ducted mini-splits have indoor units installed out of sight, usually in attics or soffits. This provides a clean, minimalist appearance. Single-zone mini-splits only require one indoor unit, making them more affordable for heating or cooling one room. Multi-zone systems need multiple indoor units, while ducted mini-splits require ductwork, increasing costs. In summary, a mini-split air conditioner unit provides heating and cooling through refrigeration, air circulation, and thermostat control. It effectively conditions the air within a room or space to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, making it a practical solution for individual room climate control.